With its perfect climate and fertile soil, the western and northwestern states of the United States have become the cradle of globally renowned fruits. American cherries not only captivate consumers with their plump appearance and vibrant, alluring red color, but also with their unique flavor, sweet with a hint of gentle tartness, offering an unforgettable taste experience. In 2023, the cherry growing area in the United States was estimated at approximately 37,000 hectares, with an annual yield ranging from 300,000 to 400,000 tons. States like Washington, Michigan, Oregon, and California, with their ideal climates, have made the U.S. a global leader in cherry production. Thanks to advanced farming technologies and a focus on sustainable agriculture, every cherry grown and harvested carries the hallmark of creativity and dedication. Imagine stepping into the cherry orchards of the United States, where trees laden with fruit stretch endlessly. These are not just orchards, they are a testament to the vibrancy and vitality of nature. Growing cherries begins with meticulous preparation. The soil must be loose, well-drained, and free from waterlogging, with a pH level adjusted to between 6.0 and 7.0. To achieve this, farmers often add lime if the soil pH is too low, along with organic compost or well-rotted manure to enhance nutrient content. Climate is also a determining factor. Cherry trees need to go through a cold winter with 700 to 1200 hours at temperatures below 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit to promote robust growth in the spring. The ideal time to plant them is in the fall or spring when the soil is moist and the weather is mild. In an effort to reduce labor and increase efficiency, farmers in the U.S. have adopted advanced farming technologies. Cherry planting machines equipped with GPS technology not only pinpoint the exact planting locations, but also optimize tree density, maximizing land use efficiency. Spring brings vibrant beauty as cherry blossoms begin to bloom. On the bare branches, millions of delicate buds gradually unfold, creating a stunning pink and white tapestry under the gentle sunlight. Each petite flower, adorned with 5 to 8 petals, resembles a masterpiece of nature's artistry. This breathtaking scene not only signals a bountiful harvest ahead, but also evokes an indescribable sense of peace and tranquility. In this setting, thousands of bees diligently buzz from flower to flower, carrying out their vital task of pollination. Each bee can pollinate around 50 to 100 blossoms a day. Following this process, tiny green cherry fruits begin to emerge, like little emerald gems hidden among the leaves. Day by day, each fruit undergoes a magical transformation, from vibrant green to pale yellow, blush pink, and finally to a luscious, deep red, signaling the perfect time for harvest. Each cherry tree can produce between 20,000 and 40,000 blossoms, but only about 25 to 30% of them develop into fruit, thanks to the tireless efforts of bees, the industrious workers of spring. This is a critical stage, typically occurring in late winter or early spring, when cherry trees are still dormant. At this time, the leaves have all fallen and the sap flow is still slow. The tree is at its least active state, allowing cuts to heal faster and minimizing the risk of infection. Pruning during this period helps shape the canopy, remove old or diseased branches, and eliminate overlapping branches that block sunlight, factors that otherwise waste the tree's energy. On average, a mature cherry tree requires the removal of 15 to 20% of its total branches each year, including those that do not produce flowers or fruit. Branches growing too close to the trunk or overly dense areas should also be pruned to allow space for light and air circulation. Cherries take 45 to 90 days to complete their magical journey from tiny green fruit to vibrant, glossy red. This process depends on the tree variety and the favorability of the weather. During development, cherries gradually change color, from bright green to golden hues with hints of blush pink, before reaching a brilliant red. The perfect moment to harvest and savor the sweetest flavors of the season. Have you ever picked fresh, juicy cherries straight from the tree? The feeling of your fingertips brushing against the smooth skin of ripe fruit, followed by the burst of sweetness as you take a bite, it's an unforgettable experience. The cherry harvest is an art that requires precision and skill. Each picker typically gathers 15 to 20 kilograms, 33 to 44 pounds, of fruit per hour, but speed alone isn't enough. Hand-picking techniques demand that harvesters gently twist the stems to keep the cherries intact, ensuring the stems remain attached. Keeping the stems not only makes the cherries more visually appealing, but also extends their shelf life to 10 to 14 days under ideal cool storage conditions. In a single workday, a cherry picker can harvest between 150 to 200 kilograms, 330 to 440 pounds of fruit, but every action must ensure the cherries are not dropped or bruised. Even a small scratch on the surface can reduce the commercial value of the fruit by 20 to 30%. To prevent this, harvesters often wear soft gloves to protect the cherries and use fabric-lined baskets to avoid bruising during collection. All these efforts are not only to preserve the natural beauty of each cherry, but also to ensure they reach consumers with the highest possible quality. For large orchards where cherry plantations can span tens or even hundreds of hectares, hand harvesting becomes impractical. In these cases, cherry harvesters offer the optimal solution, reducing labor requirements while significantly improving efficiency. These machines are specially designed with advanced technology, using vibrating arms or gentle shaking systems to dislodge the fruit without causing harm to the trees or the cherries themselves. Once the cherries fall, they are collected on padding or conveyor belts to ensure they are not bruised or damaged. Cherry harvesters have an average capacity of 10 to 20 tons of fruit per hour, equivalent to the output of hundreds of manual laborers. In just one day, a single machine can cover 2 to 5 hectares of orchard, significantly saving time and costs. Notably, modern machines equipped with preliminary sorting systems can remove damaged or substandard cherries during the harvesting process. Cherry harvesters are best suited for large-scale orchards, where trees are pruned and shaped to accommodate the equipment. Meanwhile, in smaller orchards or areas with challenging terrain, manual harvesting remains the preferred method to ensure the best fruit quality. The integration of technology in agriculture not only boosts productivity, but also opens up new opportunities to bring high-quality cherries to the global market. After harvesting, cherries begin their journey from the orchard to consumers with a meticulous processing and packaging process. To retain maximum freshness and nutritional value, cherries are processed within 24 hours of being picked. For large facilities, processing capacity can reach 50 to 100 tons of fruit per day, optimizing both time and resources. Not all cherries are selected for fresh sale. Only 70 to 80% of the yield meets the strict standards for export or direct consumption, based on rigorous criteria for size, color, and shine. These premium cherries are carefully packed in temperature-controlled environments ranging from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius or 32 to 39 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring freshness for 10 to 14 days, even when transported thousands of kilometers to international markets. The remaining 20 to 30% of cherries that do not meet the standards for fresh packing are utilized to produce value-added products such as juice, jam, or dried cherries. This approach not only minimizes waste, but also expands market opportunities, optimizing economic benefits. One of the biggest challenges is how to keep cherries fresh during transportation. Controlled atmosphere, CA technology, is used to slow down the fruit's natural respiration process, extending shelf life without compromising flavor or quality. This allows cherries to remain fresh for up to 30 days when stored under ideal conditions. This process is especially crucial for distant markets like North America, Europe, or Asia, where cherries are considered a premium fruit with high commercial value. Did you know that every ton of successfully exported cherries can generate 2 to 3 times the revenue compared to domestic consumption? Cherries that do not meet the standards for export or fresh consumption are not wasted. They are sent to processing lines, where each ton of cherries can produce approximately 500 liters of concentrated juice or 200 kilograms of dried cherries. Notably, cherry juice, rich in natural antioxidants, is becoming a popular health product, accounting for up to 20% of the global cherry processing industry's total value. The processing and packaging of cherries is not just about handling agricultural produce. It's an art of preserving natural flavors. Every cherry, whether fresh or processed, carries a story of dedication and modern technology, ensuring that consumers anywhere can fully enjoy the sweet, refreshing taste of the season. Can you believe that a tiny cherry can deliver both natural flavors and immense economic value? Not only renowned for their sweet, refreshing flavor and alluring red hue, cherries are also a nutritional powerhouse. These small fruits are packed with high levels of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and manganese, essential nutrients that boost overall health. Moreover, cherries contain powerful antioxidants such as anthocyanins and quercetin, which have been proven to protect cells and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. The journey from planting, nurturing, and harvesting to processing cherries is a story full of inspiration, a harmonious blend of nature and human effort. Each cherry not only delivers delicious flavor, but also embodies health benefits and the passion of dedicated farmers. What do you think about this incredible journey? Are cherries one of your favorite fruits? Share your thoughts and cherished memories in the comments below. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more fascinating stories about the wonderful world of fruits with you. See you next time.